Hi, this is Joe Forward, and we're here at the Litigation, Dispute Resolution and Appellate Practice Section Conference in Wisconsin Dells, and I'm here with Bill Ginsburg, who's a lawyer and speaker from California. Bill, how you doing?
Fine, thank you, Joe.
And so, Bill, what was your presentation on today?
The importance of the jury trial lawyer in preserving democracy.
Okay. And so, you know, I sat in and you mentioned the importance of teaching children and being sort of ambassadors of history. Can you give us a little idea of why that's so important?
Well, I guess it's embodied in the quote above the National Archives by George Santayana that says, "Those who do not study history are doomed to repeat it." Our children today, unfortunately, are not blessed with civics in school anymore, budgetary and other constraints. Critically important that they understand what they stand to lose if they don't understand fully our democracy and how it's framed under our Constitution.
And so what is the role of lawyers in bringing, in giving children that sort of education, and how does that play into the jury trial in America?
Well, of course, one of the roles of lawyers is to be direct teachers and to reach out to youth and to the teachers who teach them and explain the concepts that we deal with so that they're not obtuse or obscure. Secondly, we're role models. We are the people who give the people, eventually on juries, the voice of the people. So when Aristotle said and Lincoln said, this is government of the people, for the people, by the people, they were referring to the jury trial. Each jury who expresses themselves is exercising the democratic privilege and democracy, and each time they say something, it affects how we conduct ourselves in other sectors and segments of the society and the government.
Right. And so what is your message for lawyers?
To remember that the jury trial and the appellate process is the linchpin of democracy. Without it, the people have no spokesman. The people have no people who will stand up for their rights. My message is the same as Aristotle's. An intelligent man should be able to completely embrace an idea without accepting it. And the lawyer's job is to do justice, not to do his or her personal opinion.
Bill, thanks a lot for speaking with us.
My pleasure.